What's up guys, I'm J Marie. If you're new here, welcome. To all my returning subscribers, hello beautiful, how are you? I am excited to be sharing this wig review. This wig is by Instant Fab from samsbeauty.com. Thank you so much Sam's Beauty for sending over this wig for me to review. I am in love with this wig, guys. This wig is gorgeous. This is the Instant Fab 100% human hair wig, and it's styling versatility. And this is in the style Sapphire, and I have it in the color Natural. Now this wig is made of 100% human hair, in which it is suitable for long-term use. And it's also lightweight, flexible, full, and dense. Easy to create your own style, soft and comfortable to wear, perfect for daily use. This wig came with a comb at the front, and then also came with a comb in the back and adjustable straps. I only use the comb in the back. I got it in a natural black, and I'm liking this natural black. Not too dark, but you know, you kind of get those hues or browns. That's one thing I love about the natural colors. It is big head friendly because I have a small head and I have it adjusted really tight. I was a little afraid with how the back is. I was worried about not laying flat, but I think I may go back in with my head scarf and kind of mold it. I'll put a little mousse on it, kind of lay it down a little bit more and then tie it up. I didn't have time to do that, but that's another way to kind of keep it from being so bulky in the back. But I'm loving how it's laying nice on my neckline. It lays down really nice. It's 100% human, so I can curl it, bump it if I want to. But these curls in it now are just everything. I am so excited to try different ways. I'm wearing it real fluffed up, kind of giving me that old school Anita Baker, Toni Braxton, Halle Berry, and Boomerang. Yes. Yes. I am loving this. This is so 90s inspired. Girl, I feel like a grown ass woman. Too cute. And I am loving this. I will be probably rocking this wig a lot. I can't wait to try different ways and styles. And I didn't have to do much to it. Just throw this on and go, and it's gonna be perfect for spring. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this a whole lot for spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. Make sure you guys go check out Sam's Beauty right now, and I will have this wig in the description box down below. That way you can get your hands on it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe right now. What are you waiting for? It's free. Also, if you like this video, thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know how you feel in this wig, or if you just want to comment and let me know how your day is going, how you are doing, girl. I am doing fabulous, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.